Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure your phone runs a widget-capable OS version and that you have a color widget app or built-in editor installed. Open settings and enable any widget permissions required, like photos or storage. Once done, long press the home screen to enter edit mode. This is where you add your first placeholder. Tap the plus or widget menu, choose the app, then select a size. That first placement establishes grid position and visual context. Next, design the widget itself. Choose a size that matches your home grid and complements icons. In the widget editor, pick a solid color, gradient, or image background, adjust opacity so text remains legible, and select font weight and size for clarity. Once configured, link the widget to actions or shortcuts so tapping performs useful tasks. Make sure to preview at different screen scales and adjust spacing. This prevents overlap and keeps the layout tidy. Finish by arranging widgets into stacks or locking the layout to prevent accidental moves. Once placed, test all touch actions and check refresh intervals to balance battery use. If colors look off, adjust color profiles or the app's color calibration setting. Make sure to back up your layout if the launcher supports it. If a widget disappears or won't update, clear the app cache, restart the device. And as a last resort, reinstall the widget app. This usually resolves permission or cache conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.